Okay, now we're going to learn how to do a layout survey, how to design a layout. Now, what is a layout? A layout is a perimeter survey that was carried out. Then, after carrying the layout, the surveyor had to share the property into equal parts. There is a perimeter survey that is carried out by surveyor and can be shared into different parts. And this is the perimeter survey of a place. Then now, this perimeter survey, we're going to learn how to design it using Autocad 2007. You can see it here, it's Autocad 2007. Then what is needed for you to design this layout? First, we are looking at the things for that you need to design a layout survey plan. First, you're going to go to the land and do the perimeter survey. That's the first thing. Second thing is to know the type of the type of layout design you want to do. The third one is to choose the road width of your design. Then we have 6 meter, 7 meter, 8 meter up to 18 meter road width. Then we have utility. Utilities are the hospitals, the schools, the playground, then the police station or the police post. Then we have the access road. Then the access road, you get the access road. You know the access road based on the Reiki diagram that you did. Then we have Reiki diagram. Yeah, you have a Reiki diagram. The Reiki diagram contains the Reiki drawing contains the information that you are going to use to design your layout. Now, what is there? You have your existing road, you have the existing road network within that perimeter area. And this layout, there's no sign of existing road. Then now, if you are the surveyor that did the survey, you have to know that there's a road that leads to this plot of land. Then after that, we'll look at to how to start a layout design. How to start a layout design. There are steps to take on your layout design. The first is you set out after opening your AutoCAD. Then you click Format. You click Point Style. Then you click Point Style. Then you select the point size of your choice. The point style of your choice. I'm clicking this way. Then I will change to select point size in absolute unit and I put it 2.5. Then you can change any units of your choice. I'll click OK. After then I'll go back to format. I'll click unit. Then on unit, the unit dialog box will appear. Then I'll click under length. I'll click decimal. Then because that is what we are using as a surveyor. Then precision of the length is 2 decimal point. Then the unit scale we are using meter. Then under the angle we are using degree, minute, and seconds. Then we are using degree, minute, and seconds. Then we click clockwise. You select this clockwise. Then you go to direction. You go to direction and click, and you select north and click OK. OK again. Then now you are through with your settings. Then now we are going to set the test file, the test file. You click format again, click test file. and the dialog box will appear. Then you select the text style of your choice. I'm going to use Sunny Mirror on this practice. Then I'll click apply and click OK. Then you find that everything is being seen. Then now this is how it is. Then the next thing is for you to start your work is you're going to design the road network first. For you to do anything, you're going to design the road network of this property. Then we're going to use the tools menu and the modify to the tools menu on my left hand side and the modify tools on my right hand. Then now first let's use the tools menu. We're going to use the tools menu, click line, then select where you want to start. Then we want to start from this point. I'll click, then look at what I'm doing. Is okay. Look at it now. This is a road. Then I will set my road. I said we have 18. I'm going to use 18-meter road, 14-meter road, offset of 14 meter. You click offset and click type 14. Then press enter. Then look at what I did. And now this is the first road. Then again, I have done this. I've established this road into the land. Then let's remove this one. Then again, I'm going to go to line. Then I'll click on line. Then I will select from this center of this place. Then I will come here. I want to then do the line. Then you can see. Then now I'm going to click offset of 14 meter again and press enter. Then can you see it? Then this is road. Then and now let's duplicate this, extend this thing. For you to extend, then you click where the line you want to extend to, then click extend from your modified tools bar and you click on this line. You can see that you have got it to this place. And now we have gotten the road network of this place. Then now in a layer design, this is a cross junction, and you're going to make this cross junction look very good. Then look at what I'm going to do now. I'm going to press circle. Then this is a circle. Then from the modified toolbar, then I'm going to press circle. Look at it now and press enter. Then I will now trim. Look at my trimming. Press trim, press enter. Then look at what I'm doing. Now this is your trim. This is your roundabout. How you establish your roundabout of your area. And now this is it. This is it. From here now you're going to establish another circle to get your road. That is it. Then the vehicle go here and go all these places. Then now from here now you have started your layout design. Now you have established your road. Then now the next thing we're going to look at how to share the property into segments. Then we said that we have a size of layout plots which is 465, 500, 600, 700. But now we're using 1000. 1000 is 28 by 35.7. 28 by 35.7. Then offset from here 28 28, offset 28. First you click offset, you click 28, then press enter. Look at what I'm doing. 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 Then you find that the line is not getting to the road. Don't bother. Then now look at what I'm doing. I want to extend it. Go to extend and press enter, and look at what I'm doing. You can see everything I'm doing. Then the same thing, you come this side, then you do it. Then everything to the end, everything to the end. Yeah, that is your extend to swap. Then now this is the, then on this side again, which is another thing, that each plot of land has entrance. Then every two plot partition, every two plot you have road. What do I mean? That look at, I'm going to offset 35.7, 35.7, enter. Then look at what I'm doing. Then if I do again, I'm wrong, because this place there's no access to this person. On that note, I'm going to remove this and offset the road width of 9 meters. The road width of 9 meters. Then this is the road. Now this is 14, and this is not major. This is a major of 14, and this is the straight road 14 meters. Then 9 meters. And from there again, I go with 35.7. Then I press enter. 1, 2. Then we're going to stop here so we can easily do other things, because this thing is taking more space than ordinary in a classroom. Then now I'm going to extend it as we have done in the other time. Extend everything to the end. Everything to the end, to the road. Then now at this junction we want to trim out the roads. This is the road, then this is the road, then this is the road. Now you have the road here. You have the road, everything is working on, as you can see. Then now you going to see how I'm doing everything. Then you find that each place has its own access road. You have how many plots here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Shut up. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is a 4 plot of land on a stretch. Then after that, here now is another road. Then we're going to put road of 9 meter. We're going to put road of 9 meter. Then another road of 9 meter again. Then another road of 9 meter. Then at this place we're going to stop on this place. Let's trim off this side of this. Hope we are following up. Then this is how a layout is designed. And this is it. And this is it. And now you found that we're going to remove this, then and extend this. Then this, we have done this design. This is the what is called layout design. We are through this, and this is what you have. This is what you need to know on layout design. There's nothing different from what you are seeing here. Then first is to know what and what is needed. Then now first we just did a plot of land for, you can see how this came out. And this is your layout design point. Then now we're going to learn how to add, okay, in our next class from this place, in our next class we're going to see how to add bearing and distance on a layout, how to add bearing and distance on your layout. I believe that with what you have learned how to design the roads, then how to establish a layout road, then how to partition each plot of the land. You have also learned from this video how to set your AutoCAD from format and all the processes. Then if you have any questions, someone is asking us, how will you put your bearing at distance on your layout? In our next class, you're going to learn it. Somebody is asking us how you're going to put your hash color. Is there need? Okay, he said, is there any need to hash the layout? Yes, there's a need to put hash your layout plans. Is good because it make it beautiful. In our next class, we're going to see how to hash your uh, survey plans or a drawing. We're going to learn it from the next class. Thank you once again. Subscribe to our YouTube as we continue from the next lesson.